Hello, welcome back once again. And today I'm going to show you how to work with a Jupyter notebook under our new environment. As you remember, last time I showed you how to create a custom environment within the project folder, and that was this section here. And today I'm going to show you how to activate your new environment using the conda activate command. Yep, let's get straight to the point. So this is the project folder where we are going to be working with. As you can see here, last time we created this first py and then the environment folder. And today, let's just go straight ahead and activate our new working environment. And then a window of a Jupyter notebook will pop up after this. So you have to open up a terminal. Open up a terminal, which is this, using an Anaconda PowerShell prompt. And then the first step is to type in the commands. Yep. So you have to work under the this environment here, under this project folder. So desktop, then yeah, I think it's first py. Yep, first py we created last time. First Python. There you go. Then the next step is to yep, I think yeah, that's it. So let's we see if we're correct. Yeah, we are correct. So we can see here there's a environment folder, and then yep. So the next point is to activate our new working environment, and we're going to use a conda activator command. Watch me do that. So is conda activate, then your users, then HP, then desktop, then first spy, then environment. We hit enter. Yep, you can see here it changes from base to this working environment here. So what do we do next? We want the Jupyter notebook to pop up in our default browser where we are going to work these notes. And so the next do is to just type Jupyter Jupyter notebook, Jupyter notebook, and hit enter. So we already did that, and so yours will look like this. When you hit enter, it will open up a default browser and under the working environment. Yep. So let me just show you a folder which I've been working on most of my projects and most of the data science projects I've been working on. You can see here. So a default browser like this will appear, and as you can see here, we are working under the localhost, which is under our computer. And then, so what's the first thing you're supposed to do when you see a project like this? You can see here we have three sections. That's the file where you can juggle around, like I've just shown you. You can move within folders, and then if you want to create a file here, you can create anywhere. And we see here, this one is .ipinb. It's a .python file extension. This was the first demo of Python before it was changed here. So Jupyter used to be called IPNB. That was a long time ago. Like now, when the name was changed. So, but this is just a extension file name. And then you can see here, you can see that there's nothing running, and then clusters is not really something to really worry about. So let me just show you how to create a new file. So here we have upload. Here you can upload anything. You can just upload, let's say You can even upload a picture. You can see here it can upload, yep, and you can find the picture here, .png. So basically you can use this for uploading even files, the txt files, the csv files, and any other data. So here, let's create our first Python kernel. We hit that way, so it's gonna come up with this here. Can you see? So let us see here what is running now. You can see we just created a file that is running right now, and if we use this command, it's gonna shut it down. And then another way we can change the name of this. Let's say our first, let's just rename it our first Python, our first data science file, which works very well. Yep, you can see here it's our first data science file that's changed. And then here is where we will be typing our codes and running our commands. You can either press Control, Shift and Enter, or you can use this. Here we have this. We have this one is for the code. We have the markdown. Code you can just simply, let's say 2 plus 2 plus 2 is where we'll be running our commands. And then the other option is a markdown. And for markdown, it's just like making some notes, and we have to use the hash function. Where is it here? Let's just rename it data science. Data science. So, and this just works. It just works like headers in HTML function, where if you continue keeping this, it's gonna change the font size. And if you're gonna just use it one, it's gonna remain as big as that. So let's just press Shift and Enter. We see, yeah, you can see here. This is just writing for, so you can comment and any other notes that you want to make. You can always keep it here. And then, yep, you can see there's a markdown and a code. So that's it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna take you through the next part in the next lecture.